40 students took part in a fundraising event. The total amount collected by the 4 groups was $1,040. What was the average amount collected by the students in the yellow group? Now what we know is this. We know there are 40 students, so this column here should give us 40. So for the yellow, number of students can be found. (40 minus 9 minus 11 minus 8). And just for the yellow group, right, we will have 12 students. Okay, so over here is not really a question mark. We now know it's 12 students. And another thing we know about this problem is the total amount collected, 1040. So you see, for rate, for example, 9 students are there, average amount collected is 23. So what we can do is to develop for ourselves a total column. And we try and find what is the total amount collected for rate. 23 times 9, right? Because average times number of students will give you total. And then next one, 25 times 11. Next one, 24 times 8. Then we can find the total. 207 for the first one. Alright, then next one will be 275. Next one, 192. Okay, and the last one for the yellow group students, yellow collection. Now this will just be $1,040, okay, $1,040 minus 207 minus 275 minus 192. All right, and we can find the total for the yellow group. $366. 6. Okay, so over here should be 366. And to find the average amount collected from the yellow group students, we'll take the total, divide by the number. That's how we find average, right? Okay, so 366. And we divide this by 12. And we should be able to get the answer of $30 and 5. Okay, please do not put 5 here, you must put 2 decimal place, because it's a money term. Okay, so 30.50. That will be the answer for this question.